Hi everyone, welcome back to Sri Sampath Vinayaka Learning Easy channel. I hope everyone are doing good. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the exercise 11.3 of trigonometry. See in that first one, evaluate tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees is asking. We already discussed that if the given angles are not the specific angles which we learned in the trigonometric table, then we have to just add them. Okay, is it gives 90 or not, we have to check. See, by adding that 36 and 54, it gives us 90 degree. Okay, by that just find out that 36 degrees or 54 degrees. 90 minus 54 now it is. So I am just expressing 36 in terms of 54. Else you may express that 54 in terms of 36. Now replace any value, okay, that is 36 or 54. Here I express 36 in terms of 54 nama. So 90 minus 54 degrees I am going to write in the place of 36, and I am not going to alter that 54 degrees. Now tan 90 minus theta, we know that cot theta, that is cot 54 degrees. By again the denominator as it is we have to write cot 54. Cot 54, cot 54 is going to be cancelled, that is 1 more. Now if you are going to express 54 degrees instead of 36 degrees, so it is going to be 90 minus 36 degrees. Then see in the second process I am going to remain that 36 as it is, and I am going to change that 54 as 90 minus 36 mark. Okay, if you want to do like this, then we know that tan 36 degrees means tan 36 degrees only, and cot 90 minus theta means we know that tan theta, so tan 36 degrees. Both are going to be cancelled and its value is 1. You may follow any one of the two methods. Okay, now only one thing you have to remember, if the given angles are not in the specific angles of the trigonometric table, then we are going to just add them. Is it gives 90 or not, we have to check. That means whether the given angles are complementary angles or not, we have to check. If the given angles are complementary angles, then we have to express one angle in terms of the other to simplify the given question. See the second question. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees is asking. Okay, see, firstly we have to check whether the sum gives 90 or not, is equal to 90. So I am going to express this 12 degrees in terms of 78. Okay, now see, simply just express this 12 degrees as 90 minus 78, and don't alter that sin 78. You have to write that sin 78 as it is. So see cos 90 minus theta, we know that sin theta, so this is sin 78 degrees and minus sin 78 degrees. So these two are going to be cancelled. Now its value is 0. Understand Okay. If you want to change this 78, then write 78 degrees is equal to 90 minus 12, and remind this cos 12 degrees as it is, and write this sin 78 as sin 90 minus 12, and follow the same procedure. Okay, now coming to this third one. See cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees is asking. We don't know this 31 and 59. So firstly we have to add them. 31 degree plus 59 degree gives 90, we know that. Now alter this 31 degrees, okay, into the terms of 59 degrees. Okay now see cosecant, in the place of 31 I am going to write 90 minus 59. Okay, minus, don't alter that 59 degrees, that is secant 59 degrees. Okay, now see, so cosecant 90 minus theta, we know that secant theta, that is secant 59 degrees minus again secant 59 degrees. These two are going to be cancelled, then its value is 0. Okay, similarly if you want to change that 59 degrees in terms of 31 degree, you have to do the same. Now here see sin 15 degrees, secant 75 degrees. We don't know these angles. Again we have to add them. 15 degrees plus 75 degrees, is it gives 90? Yes Okay, Now express 75 degrees in terms of 15 degrees. Okay, now I am not going to alter this 15 degrees. I am going to remind this 15 degrees as it is. In the place of secant 75 degrees, I am going to write 90 minus 15. So, see sin 15 as it is, I am going to write secant 90 minus 15 degrees. We know that secant 90 minus theta means cosecant theta. That is cosecant 15 degrees. Okay, sin 15 degrees it is. And 1 by cosecant 15 means 1 by sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 are going to be cancelled. Its value is 1. Similarly, see 26 degrees plus 64 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So write 26 degrees is equal to 90 minus 64 degree. Okay, now express it. Tan 90 minus 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Okay, now see tan 90 minus theta, we know that cot theta, cot 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Now cot theta means 1 by tan theta, we know that 1 by tan 64 into tan 64 degrees. So this tan 64 are going to be cancelled. Its value is 1. Okay, in this way we are going to simplify these given trigonometric ratios with the non-specific angles. Okay, Nama? Show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into so tan 74 is equal to 1 is asking. For that, we have to consider the LHS value and we have to obtain the RHS value 1. Now, here we have to just pair up the complementary angles. Okay. Now, LHS here is LHS is equal to tan 48 degrees. I am going to pair up while writing LHS. 48 degrees complementary angle is tan 42, we know that. So, this 48 and 42 complementary number. So, that is why I just paired these two. And tan 16 tan 74 degrees. Okay. Now, see express. See 42 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. From this I am going to express 48 degrees as 90 minus 42. Okay, this is one. And another one is 16 degrees plus 74 degrees gives 90 degrees. Okay, now here I am going to express this 16 degrees as 90 minus 74 degrees. Okay, now? So, these are the two pairs of complementary angles. I am going to use them now. See, tan, I am going to express this 48 degrees as 90 minus 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees as it is into tan 16 means 90 minus 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees. So see, tan 90 minus theta means we know that cot theta, that is cot 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees. Similarly, tan 90 minus 74 means cot 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now see, this cot 42 degrees is expressed as 1 by tan 42 degrees into the tan 42 degree. Similarly, cot 74 degrees is expressed as 1 by tan 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees it is. This tan 74, tan 74, tan 42, tan 42 are going to be cancelled. This is 1. Now it is our required RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we just proved that tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 degrees as 1. Sima, he asked us to show that cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees as 0. Sima, here we are having 36 54 again 36 54. That means a same pair of complementary angles we are having. That means complementary angles we know 36 degrees plus 54 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. That is why this 36 and 54 are known as pair of complementary angles. Now here I am going to express this 36 degrees as 90 minus 54. See as we are having two pairs of same complementary angles, we have to express only one angle in terms of the other. Okay na? In both the pairs. See here, take the LHS. LHS is equal to cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Okay na? See cos 36 cos 54. In this I am going to alter this 36 degrees in terms of 90 minus 54 degrees, and I am not going to change this 54 degrees. Okay, term also I am going to change the same 36 degrees. Okay, 54 degrees into sin 54 degrees. See here cos 90 minus theta, we know that sin theta it is sin 54 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 90 minus theta, we know that cos theta into sin 54 degrees. See these two are of the same angles with same trigonometric ratios, so both are going to be cancelled. Now its value is 0. That's our RHS. So that is LHS is equal to RHS, proved. Okay, this is one method by using the complementary angles. Else I may use a formula also. You see this LHS. Okay now, here the LHS in second method. Again I am going to write the same. Cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. See, it is like a formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We know that its formula is cos A plus B. That is cos 36 degrees plus 54 degrees. Why? Because if you want to write the formula, write cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, it gives cos of A plus B. By using that formula, I may write like this. This is cos 90. Okay, now we know that cos 90 is 0. Okay, that is our RHS. You may write like this also. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, is asking us to calculate the value of a where the 2a is an acute angle. For that we discussed already. If he asks you to find the value of any unknown variable, okay now, then we have to convert the trigonometric ratios on both sides of that equal to into a same trigonometric ratio. That means see my tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees. See, on left side of equal to I am having tan, on right side of that is equal to I am having cot. That means firstly I have to decide to which trigonometric ratio I have to convert. Okay, see here I want to convert this tan into cot. So that is why we know that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So I am going to express this tan 2a as cot 90 minus 2a. Okay Nama, once you have to check whether the converted value is correct or not. Cot 90 minus 2a is equal to tan 2a. So it is correct only. And this side I am having cot a minus 18 degrees. So see 90 minus 2a, and both sides I am having same trigonometric ratio. No, I am going to remove the trigonometric ratios. See, now transfer this 2a to that side and bring that 18 to left hand side. So 2a plus a it is. That implies 3a degrees is equal to 108 degrees. Therefore a is equal to 108 by 3. Okay na? That is 36 degrees. A value we obtained as 36 degrees. Okay, that's our answer. See here in the Fourth question is asking us if tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, is asking us to prove this A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, again we are going to follow the same rule. See, here on both sides of that is equal to one trigonometric ratio is tan, another trigonometric ratio is cot. Firstly, I have to change the both trigonometric ratios into a single trigonometric ratio. Okay, for that firstly write the given mark. Here the given value is tan A is equal to cot B mark. So firstly we have to decide one thing mark. Okay, which trigonometric ratio is converted into the trigonometric ratio of the other value. Okay, see here I want to convert this cot into tan mark. So I don't want to change this tan A. So simply I want to change this cot B into the terms of tan. So cot theta is equal to, we know that tan 90 minus theta. Okay, now just I have to recheck once. Okay, that is tan 90 minus beta, is it gives cot beta or not? See, tan 90 minus beta is equal to cot beta only. Yes, what we did is correct. Now both sides we are having the same trigonometric ratio, just remove them. Then A is equal to 90 minus B. That implies A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. That's it. In the fifth question, he is asking us to show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2 if A, B, C are the interior angles of the triangle ABC. Understand ma? That means if A, B, C are the angles of a triangle, we have to prove tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Okay, it's a very easy question ma. One see. Firstly, write the given values. Given in triangle ABC, okay na? Angle A, comma B, comma C are interior angles. Interior angles. Okay, that is, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Y means angle sum property ma. C, that is, C, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 we obtained. Just observe the answer. In this answer, tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2 we have to prove. That means A plus B is on the same side of that equal to. So just you have to do the same. Just remind this A plus B on the same side and just transfer this C to the right hand side. So see, A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. And once again observe the answers. In the answers we are having by 2 also. So just do the by 2 here. Okay, A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 means it is 90 degrees minus C by 2. Okay, and also once again observe the answers. By observing the answer we are going to solve this problem simply. So here on the left side of that equal to I am having tan. So just apply tan on both sides. Okay. Apply tan on both sides. That implies tan A plus B by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus C by 2. So see, tan 90 minus theta we know that is cot theta, that is cot C by 2. Therefore, the problem is solved. Why? Because see ma, he asked us to prove tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. We obtained it. Question number 6. He asked us to express this sin 75 plus cos 65 degrees in terms of the trigonometric ratios of angles 0 to 44 degrees. That means I have to express the trigonometric values, that is sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees into the trigonometric ratios of the angles 0 to 45. That means the 75 and 65 angles are going to be converted into the angles of 0 to 45. Okay now, to convert that, okay, how to change this we have to see that. Okay now, firstly Write the given trigonometric expression. Sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees is stated. Now see ma, for solving the problem according to the given conditions, firstly I have to express this 75 degrees into its complementary values. Sin 75 means sin of 90 minus its complementary angle. 90 minus, tell me its complementary angle 15 degrees. So 75 degrees is expressed as 90 minus 15. Why? Because see complementary angles, we know that 75's complementary angle is 15 degrees. It is equal to 90. So the same 75 degrees is expressed as 90 minus 15 degrees. Similarly, 65 degrees plus 25 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. We know that. By that, the same 65 degrees is expressed as 90 minus 25 degrees. Understand? Okay? In the same way, we are going to do the second one also. See, cos of the 65 is expressed as 90 minus 25 degrees. That's it. Our problem is solved. See, sin 90 minus theta, we know that cos theta, that is cos 15 degrees. Cos 90 minus theta, we know that sin theta. So, sin 25 degrees. See, we just converted the given trigonometric expression, that is sin 75 plus cos 65 degrees into the angles of 15 and 25 degrees, which is in between 0 to 45. So, our problem is solved.